in you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so today I'll be testing out Halal Beauty nail polish, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already to be part of Queen Ash family and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get into it. Edit ASAP. So obviously I cannot test it out without you guys. I thought to make a video about it and I wanted to give you guys my absolute honest opinion of what I think of it. I just saw this video that I will just show you guys here. You guys, I saw that it says that you can literally have wudu with this nail polish. I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna change my life, because I absolutely love having my nails painted and I absolutely hate removing nail polish unless it's literally gone. So I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, this is it, this is the life-changing thing. But I was like, is it actually halal though? I have never seen in my life a halal nail polish, so I thought to test it out, and I ordered this ages ago, but I never filmed it. Yes, I had the patience to not test it out without you guys. Can you believe that? I'm the most impatient person, but I had the patient to not test it out. Anyway, here's the package. We got it, and let's open it together. Not gonna lie, I did open it, but kind of like, it's literally simple. I mean, the packaging is super cute. The packaging is cute though. It's like, there we have it. Halal Beauty card. And here is the real deal, the nail polish that we all have been waiting for. At least I have been waiting for. And you guys finally get to see, does it work or it does not. So first of all, I'm gonna paint my nails and then we are gonna do the tissue test. If you don't know what I'm talking about, here's the video again that I saw on IG and blew my mind. Yeah, it literally went inside the nail polish. Like, the water can't touch our nails bed. That is the mind-blowing thing. So let's go and try this nail polish out. So we have the nail polish bottle right over here. Let me get this out. My nails are nice and raw and ready to be painted. It is a very nice bright pink. God, let me open this. It's so freaking tight. Okay, now let's go. The texture is very thin. I can feel it. Like, it is super thin. You can see how watery it is. So I think it's gonna pass. I mean, you can see how watery it is. If you can see that, it is super watery. Like when you add a nail polish thinner, it is literally like that. Let me paint the others. Yep, it is super watery and it's runny. It's not thick as normal nail polish would be, so I'm kind of seeing the chances it might work. It is very much liquidy and runny, but that's good enough, right? I guess that's a good sign. I love how it's appearing on camera. It looks so freaking nice and bright and pink. I mean, it is bright, quite bright pink. I'm getting some bubbles, maybe because I did not shake the bottle nicely. I was too excited to start it. I would personally go with the second coat because that's my opinion, and I like to have nice and bright shade on. So that is the nail polish and that is the shade. Now we are gonna wait for this to dry and test out the real deal. So it is time to test the real thing. Here is tissue paper. I brought one and I'm gonna be applying the nail polish now. Nicely, I'm gonna be applying it on it and we will see if it is like the video that we just saw. If it is like that, then that is clearly amazing. If it isn't like that, then we just did a huge damage. JK, we got a nail polish but nothing else. So I'm now applying it nicely, trying to apply it. Did not show me how to apply it in the video though. They should have showed, but they did not. I'm scared it's gonna stick, but anyway, let's go with it. It is very much thin. It is quite a liquidy. We're gonna let that dry and we're gonna come back and do the drop water test. So you guys, here is the nail polish with the shade. As you guys can see, it is exactly the same shade and the tissue paper has completely dried. Now we are gonna test it out. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see it when I do the drop water test. It is not going anywhere so far. It is literally sitting there on it. Oh, never mind. It is going somewhere. Okay, I think it is working. Oh my gosh, is it working? The water is sort of disappearing. The water is sort of disappearing. Oh my gosh, 1 second. I feel the water underneath. Oh my gosh, you guys, blurred out. Let me just focus you guys again. You guys, look at that. The water went inside the polish and I can feel the wetness underneath. I can feel the wetness. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm saying this, but this nail polish is actually halal. Wow, my mind is blown and I'm so freaking happy. I cannot wait to order more because what on earth? This is actually halal. Like what? I was not expecting it to be. It means they were not joking about this brand. I mean, can we just take a minute that it literally went inside? Oh my gosh, you guys, I am blown away. This actually worked. I was not expecting it to work at all. This actually worked and I am so freaking happy. You guys don't even know that I can literally apply a nail polish and scream without needing to remove it. Like I can literally apply this and don't need to remove it. Like that is literally the best thing ever. So Halal Beauty is halal after all, and they were not lying. They are not here to joke. They are here for some real good stuff. So I got this nail polish for 59 dirham and that's, I believe, not so expensive. Every branded nail polish is pretty much that, and I overall would like to give it a rate. So for overall, the packaging was cute. I would give it a really nice 3 stars for that. For the product, I'm gonna give it a full-on 4 stars because it needed second coat. I would literally go with first coat, but yeah, it was a little bit bubbly. That's why. Other than that, it works like a charm. I am totally hooked to this and I'm getting many more because it is literally the best thing ever and it is halal. I do not even need to remove my nail polish to do wudu, which is the best thing ever. So yeah, I will give this one a full-on good 4 stars. And for the pricing, now we are gonna come back. For the pricing, the price was not so bad, but there is shipping charges. Anyway, you need to add like 4 to 5. You need to add 2 or 3 nail polish to have free shipping charges. But other than that, I would give the charging a nice 3 star. I do not mind the 51 dirham halal nail polish. I would literally give it up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of Queen Ash family. And don't forget to follow me on my own social platform. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.